I think here's how it's going to work. I think Fani Willis has suggested that she's giving him some berth. She's not going to go till toward the end of the month. Alvin Bragg's done the same thing, and I think obviously Jack Smith wants to bring this one before. So as a practical matter, and it's otherwise a logistical big challenge, I think we're going to see this case built for speed happening first.
Oh, why? Why, though?
The number one aspect of this indictment to me, that caption, USA versus Donald Trump. He could have had 7 defendants here, 7 times the challenges. This one is built for speed.
Built for speed. Special counsel Jack Smith did something really savvy and I think underappreciated and unexpected in this new indictment for Trump's coup attempt. He charged a single defendant in the case, Donald J. Trump. Despite the fact Trump is by no means the only person involved in this criminal conspiracy to steal the 2020 election, you can look at the first few pages of the indictment where half a dozen co-conspirators are listed with their actions to subvert American democracy detailed through many of the remaining 40 pages. But recent legal actions taken by Smith's office imply he wants this case, the January 6th case, to go first. So let me explain. 1 week ago tonight, we were all expecting this indictment to come out of the Washington, D.C. federal courthouse. We were all on pins and needles. But instead, Smith was focused on another case 1,000 miles south in Miami. That day, he added a third defendant in the classified documents case. He also released a superseding indictment adding new charges against the ex-president and the new defendant, a Mar-a-Lago property manager. This came out of nowhere, as far as we knew. It was completely unexpected. And it was kind of strange because what's that going to do to the case? It's going to slow it down when you add a new defendant, new charges. It serves to tap the brakes on the trial date in the documents case. I mean, the new defendant, Carlos de Oliveira, had to be arraigned. Trump and his co-defendant, Walt Nauta, had to be rearraigned because there are new charges. And if that were not enough to push back the documents trial date, yesterday, Smith asked for a hearing to discuss potential conflicts of interest surrounding Walt Nauta's defense lawyer because he has represented at least 7 other clients that have been interviewed in the classified documents case. So take a step back. Look at the totality of what we have. The Fulton County and New York prosecutors have signaled they will defer to federal prosecutors on scheduling. Of course, Fani Willis has not brought an indictment yet. We think that might be coming soon. In the past week, Smith has added a defendant in the classified documents case and requested a conflict of interest hearing. Both are things that slow down the pace of that case. Then Tuesday, Smith indicts a single defendant, Donald J. Trump, in the election subversion case, does not indict the co-conspirators. All of that shows Smith has all the pieces in place for this case, the most important case, to my mind, by far, critical to our democracy, for this case to go first. It basically takes the timing of a first Trump federal trial a bit out of the hands of Mar-a-Lago Judge Aileen Cannon because of these reasons for delay and centers the focus on Washington, D.C. and the fate of our democracy itself.